Okay, welcome back, Matadors. This is Mr. Science. We're continuing our review of the Chapter 2 review exercises in Big Ideas Math. This is item number 29. Now it reads, the vertices of a rectangle are Q, R, S, and T. And Q is located at -6 and 2. R is located at 6 and 2. S is at 6 and -4, and T is at -6 and -4. So you have this rectangle. It's located in these areas here on a coordinate plane, and you're going to do two things to it. You're going to dilate the rectangle with respect to the origin, so that makes it a lot easier for us, using a scale factor of 3/2. And then you're going to translate that dilated shape 5 units to the right and 1 unit down. What are the coordinates of the image? So after you do the dilation, after you do the translation, where's this image going to be? So let's go ahead and I'm going to first write out, we're going to do this algebraically. We're not going to do it on a coordinate plane. I'm going to show you how to do it algebraically. So first we're going to write down each coordinate. So we have Q is located at -6 and 2. We have R is located at 6 and 2. We have S is located at 6, -4. And finally we have T, which is located at -6 and -4. So you might be wondering, why did I leave those spaces there? Well, because we're going to do the dilation first, and we're going to do the dilation by using it says scale factor of 3/2. All that means is we're going to take each coordinate and we're going to multiply it by 3/2. So each number, we're going to multiply it by 3/2. Okay, so each coordinate we're going to multiply by 3/2. All right, so let's go ahead and do that first. So for Q is going to be located at -6 times 3 is -18 divided by 2 is -9. 2 times 3, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. For R, let's look at it a little differently. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So all we're left with is a 3. S. 6 times 3 is 18, divided by 2 is 9. -4 times 3 is -12. -12 divided by 2 is -6. And for T, we have -6 times 3 is -18. -18 divided by 2 is -9. And lastly, we have -4 times 3 is -12 divided by 2 is -6. So that's how you would perform the dilation. Now in blue, we have these new coordinates. Okay, in blue, we have the location of the new coordinates, the prime image, after it has been dilated. So we don't need the other points anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase these to make it a little visually enhanced here, or a little cleaner. Okay, so here's our new ordered pairs. Okay, and now we're going to have to do a translation. And the translation says it is 5 units to the right. So that means we're going to add 5 to the x and 1 unit down. So that means we're going to minus 1 from the y. So let's go ahead and I'm going to write these underneath. So for each x, I'm going to add 5. So let's go ahead and take care of the x's first. So q, after we're done with everything, will be located at -9 plus 5 is -4. And then we'll go ahead and we'll do the y's after. R is going to be located at 9 plus 5, which is 14. And again, we'll do the y's after. S will be located at 9 plus 5, which is 14. And again, we'll do the y's after. T is at -9 plus 5, which is a -4. And again, we'll do the y's after. So what we have here in all these points is just the x's done. We moved everything over 5 units to the right. Okay, now we're going to move the y, which is 1 unit down. So that means we're gonna just minus 1 from every y. So 3 minus 1. Let me erase these guys real quick. Sorry. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. -6 minus 1 is -7, and -6 minus 1 is -7. So after we do the dilation, after we do the translation, this is where you should end up. Q is at -4 and 2. R is at 14 and 2. Oops. R is at 14 and 2. S is at 14 and -7. And T is at -4 and -7. And again, that's doing it algebraically. You could have also drawn the image onto a coordinate plane and then do the same things visually as well. But thank you for your time. And